Holy shit, guys. Holy shit. It's fucking loud as hell. You guys ready for this? You guys ready? What's up, YouTube? Chris back at it again with another vlog. What's up, guys? I hope everybody's having a good day. Now today, hopefully this car won't be quiet anymore. Let's go do this. Now this is the current noise level of the car. Let me roll up the window. This is the current level of the car. I forgot about my window motor. Now this is the current level of the car. I'm gonna do a little pull for you guys and let you guys know what it sounds like in the inside, and then we'll go ahead and do it before and after kind of thing. So currently I'm heading over to AAA Muffler. They're located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, downtown. So I'm currently heading that way. I'm gonna go get a muffler delete. If you guys didn't tell by the title, I'm gonna get straight piped, and I'm so excited for this. It's been a long time coming, and I'm just you know, anxious right now because I really want to hear it you know, actually for myself rather than, you know, on online videos, and especially since it's my car. I'm gonna do a little pull here. I'm on this little road. It's a little congested, but I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like. Now I don't know if you could even hear the exhaust. Like, it's probably louder outside. I rolled down the window and everything, but it's probably not even that loud. But we'll see when I edit the video. But I can't wait. I can't wait to find out if it's actually, or well, I can't wait to be louder, I should say.
It's gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn the shit around, start to talk to yours. It's all you need to do.
So she's up on the lift right now. So it's gonna be costing a little bit more than I thought, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway, just because I'm here and I have the time. So I might as well just do it right here now, since I have the time, since I have the money to do it. So yeah, let's do this. I'm still rocking Herman's wheels, and it looks so good, but I have to put some spacers up in the front if I'm gonna keep them. Well, she's looking dirty though right now, but I might wash her after. We'll see. Basically, he's gonna cut it from right here, and then he's gonna run them both this way and that way. There's no going back now. So we just got done with everything. He's gonna go ahead and do a little startup and rev for me. Looks pretty good. I like the little setup he did, the little fabrication, I should say, and I think it'll sound pretty legit. So he's gonna start it up and do a couple revs for me. Go ahead and press the brake and then turn it. On the lift right now, so to see if there's anything rattling, but it sounds pretty fucking legit. Pretty happy the way it sounds. It still has a resonator in there because we didn't do that, but you know. Holy shit, guys. Holy shit. It's fucking loud as hell. You guys ready for this? You guys ready? Let's go! Man, that's so loud. loud. It's so fucking loud. It's ridiculous. Whoa! I'm so happy right now. I'm so fucking happy. It's pretty freaking loud. It's loud. So we just picked up Herman. Gonna get his reaction to my exhaust. We're gonna head over to Herman or Omar's. I can't even fucking talk. We're meeting Omar to go see his car get tuned currently, but I'm gonna get Herman's reaction to my exhaust. Let's see what he thinks. Yeah.
Dude, it sounds sick, yeah. It sounds fucking dope.
Fuck yeah.
Dude, it sounds legit. At least you're loud. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Shoot, look at this guy. Car's gay, fool.
See, is that?
Hey, bro, check it out. We got a skyline right here. Look at all these seas, bro. I'm in heaven. Fucking hit the concrete. Fucking. What do they call those? A concrete.
The barriers or whatever. Slabs.
Is Omar here?
I don't know. Alright, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Just got a little reaction of Herman listening to the car. Ended up getting just straight piped, just muffler delete. So eventually I'm probably gonna get some white pipes, a couple other breather mods. Other than that, you know, pretty happy where it's sounding. I'm also gonna delete that resonator later on. I'm pretty sure it won't be too much for that, but for right now I think it sounds really good. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. If it sounds really good, if it's loud, let me know what you guys think. I haven't really heard it from the computer, so we'll see. But thanks guys for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.